everyone, Kimberly Berg here in the Rebel Fit Club. We've been working on a series of shoulder mobility exercises that you can do in your home. This week I'm going to be using a yoga ball, and I realize not everybody has a yoga ball, but if you do, this is a great way to use it. So we're going to start out by backing up into a wall. So you're going to need a really sturdy wall or a piece of furniture that's really sturdy, like a couch. And you can see I have my feet up against the wall, and I'm going to put the ball up against my belly. So I'm coming up and over the ball. And then you can either bring your knees slightly off, but I think if you're working out at home, I'd rather have you with your knees on the ground. Then you're going to place your hands up high on the ball. You're not going to be pushing up with your hands. They're there just for a couple of points of stability for you. And you're going to get completely floppy over the ball, so the top of your head is more down towards the ground. So you're going to be in this position. You're going to take a breath in, and you're going to, one vertebrae at a time, come up as you exhale. Keep looking down at the ground. My hands are not pushing. I am using my back, the muscles in my back, to bring myself up. Now, if you feel stable enough, you can bring one hand out, then the other hand, keep looking at the ground, one hand in, other hand in, and then one vertebrae at a time, coming back down until you're floppy again. And I'm going to show you the exercise again. Breathe in to prepare. Exhale up. Exhale, looking down at the ground. One hand comes out, other hand comes out. One hand comes in, other hand comes in, and slowly roll down again. So you want to think about having an open heart as you do this, and just take your time, exhale, breathe with it, and it is such a great one. It helps your low back, it helps your upper back, but it also works on opening up those shoulders. So that's my quick hit for today. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button below or go to my website at rebelfitclub.com and subscribe to my weekly blog filled with great exercise and tips for you to help manage your Parkinson's. You can also contact me at Kimberly at rebelfitclub.com. I'd be happy to get back to you and answer any questions that you may have about your own symptoms and how exercise could help you. We are now offering virtual classes so you can work out in the safety of your own home. They are live, not pre-recorded, and they are fun. They change out every day. No two exercise classes are the same. So we hope that you join us virtually, or if you're local here in Portland, Oregon, you can come to our big giant gym, the Rebel Fit Club, and we are starting to open up again. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, go forth and conquer.